Hello, today we're going to be making some manipulatives that you can use to form the letters of the alphabet with A, B, got C, and we can make D, and I made these just by cutting up a Tupperware lid. So I've drawn out how I think that the pieces can be best positioned to make the most of each Tupperware lid. This is a lid from a number 10 can, but I think you could use like lids for a Cool Whip container as well. And if you have any ideas on how these manipulatives could be better positioned to make the best use of space, then please let me know in the comment section below. Now, in order to make all of the letters of the alphabet, you do kind of have to do the design that I'm doing 3 times, so you'll need 3 different Tupperware lids. And if you really want M and W to have the long parts that go all the way down, then you will have to do it 4 times. Or you can figure out how to organize space better than what I did. But on one half of my Tupperware lid, I've got 1 long and 2 short pieces. And if you do this design 3 times, you might end up with more short pieces than you need. Like I said, I'm open to suggestions. So these manipulatives are inspired by the wooden manipulatives from the program Handwriting Without Tears. I think that's a very good program, but it's also expensive. So that's why we're using Tupperware lids. So with these long lines and short lines and small curves and big curves, you can actually make all of the different letters of the alphabet, both uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase G might be stretching it just a bit, but it works. Just fighting with the scissors over here. All right, let's move our scraps out of the way. Oh, do a quick run through the uppercase alphabet. A, B, C. Now I'm trying to remember which way C goes. It's fine, whichever way. I got problems. D, E, F, for G, they do that. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. This is a hands-on way to learn letters, and it can make it more concrete and less abstract for children who are having trouble learning it. I hope you guys have a great day.